Hello, Mr. Tree. Mrs. Tree? Mr. Tree? I don't know. What are you? This is actually a guardian tree. And as you can see from it, provides shade from the sun, nutrients in the ground, roots, carbon dioxide that it takes in and gives off oxygen so that we can breathe. When's the last time you went out into nature intentionally, wrapped your arms around a tree, touched the tree, put your head against the tree, thank the tree for providing oxygen, thank the nature for providing life, for all life, so that we can eat, so that we can survive, so that we can be. The breeze, the sunshine provides light, that provides heat, that provides warmth, that allows the food to grow, allows us to survive on this planet. When's the last time that you took your breath and deep intentionally breathed outside and just connected with the life that is all around you? Deep intentional breathing is an opportunity to not only provide your mind and body with so many incredible physiological benefits, to shut off the thinking mind, relax, bring more coherence to the mind, release happy endorphins and feel good hormones, all of that incredible stuff. But it's an opportunity to connect with your heart, to connect with the planet, to connect your feet to the grass. It's the last time you walked barefoot on the grass. Deep intentional breathing is more than just a practice. It should be a way of life. And it's an opportunity, if you're present enough, if you're intentional enough, to connect to the life that is all around you, bring more intentionally to within you. Breathwork is an incredible tool. If you haven't availed yourself of it, you should do so very, very soon. You can connect with me, because that's one of the things I love to do. Have a beautiful day out. Cheers. Peace.